Say, good day sir, today I will make video recording how to set up network diagram for VLAN access port and VLAN trunk port using Disco Packet Trigger. First, maglalagay tayo ng switch 1 and switch 2. And then, select natin yung PC and maglalagay tayo dito ng tatlo for VLAN number 1. And next is and then maglalagay tayo ng VLAN 1. And this is the VLAN 1. And next, gagawa ulit tayo ng VLAN number 2. And select natin to, tapos maglagay ulit tayo ng tatlong PC for VLAN number 2. And this is the VLAN number 2. Next is gawa ulit tayo ng VLAN number 3. And magsiselect ulit tayo ng tatlong PC for VLAN number 3. And this is the VLAN number 3. And last is VLAN number 4. this is the ito yung mga VLAN ng switch 1. So, which is VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. And, i-connect natin ang switch 1 sa switch number 2. So, ang VLAN 1, nagre-range siya ng 1 to 5. So, ang pipiliin natin is 5. And nilakay dito. And 5 din yung pipiliin natin, which is yung range ng VLAN 1 is 1 to 5. Next is VLAN 2. Ang range niya din is 6 to 10. So, ang pipiliin natin is 10. Tapos 10. So, may dalawang line, which is yung VLAN 1 and VLAN 2. Next is VLAN number 3. So, ang VLAN number 3 naman ay nagre-range siya ng 16 to 20. So, ang pipiliin natin is 20. And, kukonect dito sa switch number 2. So, 15 din yung pipiliin natin. And next is VLAN number 4. Nagre-range din siya ng 16 to 20. So, ang pipiliin natin is so, yan. This is the line for VLAN 1, 2, and 3, and 4 para ma-access niya ang switch number 2. And next, we'll create a VLAN number 1 for switch number 2. For switch number 2 naman is maglalagay ulit tayo ng tatlo for VLAN number 1. And this is the VLAN 1 for switch number 2. And next is VLAN number 2 for switch number 2. So, gagawa ulit tayo ng tatlo. So, this is the VLAN number 2. Next is VLAN number 3. So, sa number 3 is maglalagay lang tayo ng dalawang PC for VLAN number 3. And this is VLAN number 3. So, next is VLAN number 4. So, sa VLAN number 4 is maglalagay tayo ng 4 na VLAN ay na PC. And VLAN. And this is the VLAN number 1, VLAN number 2, VLAN number 3, and VLAN number 4 for switch number 2. So, ito yung access port for between switch 1 and switch number 2. So, kung gagamitin natin ay ang trunk port between for access is i-delete natin to. Ito. And i-connect natin to dito. And this ito yung tinatawag natin na trunk port. And we will communicate to each VLAN and multiple VLAN. And the disadvantage ng use access port, kung ilan ang VLAN, ganun din yung line na pupunta sa i-connect sa switch number 2. Kung ang gagamitin naman ay trunk port, pwedeng isang line na lang na gagamitin for trunk port. And that's all. Thank you.